Hey everyone, just want to do a quick video of could this been avoided in a house. We sold this house to a customer of ours recently, and sorry about that. It's kind of a construction zone in here, but um, anyway, after they took possession of it, discovered that there was mold that the home inspector missed, and probably wasn't discoverable by the home inspector at the time of the home inspection, but turned out it was a pretty big deal because it was very well hidden. And I will say that it probably was not negligence of the seller either, because I don't know that they knew it was present. Maybe they did. I don't know. I'm not here to be judge and jury of that, but I want to show you that buyers that I've worked with in the past, they've heard me say this several times about decks and patios alike, and sliding glass doors especially. But this was about as prime as an example as I can show you. And we got pictures that we'll show you later of where the mold, how we found the mold, and where it was, and kind of how it went. But it was a big deal to this buyer. So unfortunately, it's turned into a remodel project, but the good thing is, with any good remodel project, you get to make it better than what you found it. So here we go.